and I'm very excited, and that's my dad.
Hi guys, my name is Baljinder and he's my son GURTAJ. Since morning he is asking me to make a video and upload it on video. So this is our first attempt. And if there is any mistake, sorry for that. So I'm just taking a short interview of GURTAJ. I will ask him few questions and he will answer to those questions. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, GURTAJ.
Yes.
So when you were born?
2011.
What's your favorite color?
Green.
Which is your favorite movie?
The Emoji Movie.
What is your favorite place to visit?
The Zoo.
What is your favorite animal?
Lion.
What is your favorite bird?
Sparrow.
What would you like to eat every day?
Biscuit.
Can you tell me something healthy?
Carrot.
That's good. So, what do you want to become?
A firefighter.
That's a good answer. And who do you live with?
My dad, my mom, my uncle, my brother, my grandma, and my grandpa.
I am guessing he's your brother.
Yes.
Are you GURTAJ's brother?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Setaj. Oh, that with S.
Oh, that's a good name.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, GURTAJ. So, tell me what do you like about Australia?
I like about Australia. There's lots of places to visit.
Like?
The zoo, the museum, the church, the aquarium. Yeah.
Tell me something about your school.
It's great. There's lots of nice people.
What about your friends?
Yeah, they're nice.
That's good. Apart from school, who's your good friend?
Zion and Blake
Alright.
and Keith.
Okay. So, you were born here or you were born somewhere else?
Somewhere else.
Where?
India.
Okay. And when did you come here?
When I was like about 4 years old.
4 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think this is the end of our interview now.
Yes.
Say bye to your
Bye.
friends. Alright. Bye everyone.
It's my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to say it. If you don't say it, you don't say it. You don't say it.
Okay. Okay, we take your interview as well because it looks like you're so keen
Yeah,
to give your introduction. So, what is your favorite animal?
A tiger.
A tiger.
Yes.
And who do you like to play every day with?
Brother.
Okay. And who is your favorite friend? Like best friend, bestie.
Who's your best friend? Oh.
Is it Rahmat?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. And what you are holding in your hand?
A dinosaur.
Okay, that's good.
And that's my dad. Who's talking right now? And now.
Do you want to tell something to your fans or your friends?
Yeah.
What is the message?
My message. My message is when I get to work and I was bigger and big and I was working harder and harder and harder
Okay.
and I was fighting bad guys everywhere.
Oh, you wanna fight with the bad guys everywhere.
Yeah.
You wanna help people from the bad guys.
Yes.
So you want to be a police officer?
No.
No? So you want to be a Superman?
I'm a big ninja.
Oh, big ninjas. That's good. I like it. Alright. Thank you for your time, son.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye everyone.